Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. In today's video in the National Flood Insurance Program course, we're discussing deductibles with the National Flood Insurance Program. Today we're going to talk about the range of deductibles. We're going to talk about the impact these deductibles can have on flood insurance rates and picking the right deductible. So in getting started with deductibles, let's remember this. In one of our previous videos, we talked about the two types of coverage. It's important to understand that each type of coverage is going to have its own deductible. You can mix and match here, but it's important to understand that if you have a flood claim and you have both building and contents coverage, you're going to have two deductibles. So let's talk about those deductible ranges. Now, generally in most residential policies, the National Flood Insurance Program deductibles range from $1,250 to $10,000. Now, of course, the higher deductible you pick, the lower your premium is going to be. Now, it's really important that you pay attention when picking this deductible though, because you'll see there's not that big of a difference in premium when you go from, let's say, a $2,000 deductible to a $10,000 deductible. So you want to decide how much risk you're willing to take on of paying that extra deductible compared to what you're saving. Also important that you think about, do I have this deductible sitting in a savings account somewhere, so if I have to pay it, for example, let's say you do $5,000 deductibles, then you may have a $10,000 deductible on building if you have contents coverage. So this is how the deductibles with the National Flood Insurance Program work. Now, in many situations, what they'll do is they'll pull your deductible out of any flood loss they pay out instead of you paying the deductible to them directly. So when you get a loss settlement, this is what you want to look for, is if your deductible was pulled out and what the loss settlement was actually after the deductible. But it's important that you pick some deductibles that are manageable and that you have the money where if they do have to pull this out, the money's there. So this is how deductible with the National Flood Insurance Program work on building coverage and contents coverage. Thank you.